In this video, we will obtain fluid domain out of this pipe segment. In my previous video, I have already shown how I have imported this CAD file to ANSYS. Now let's make fluid domain of this pipe segment. In order to make fluid domain from this segment, we will have to use fill command, which we can get in tools section. We will have to use this fill command. So click it. Now we will have two methods to make fluid domain. We can make it either by cavity or by caps. I prefer by caps method as this bicavity method is quite time consuming, as we'll have to select all the inner surfaces which comes in contact with the fluid, which becomes quite difficult and time consuming. So I prefer bicaps. With the option of bicaps, we just have to create surfaces in our openings. We in this pipe segment we have two openings, so we will have to make surface and enclose it so that we can fill this pipe segment. Now let's make caps for these two openings. For that we will have to go to concept and make surfaces from edges. We'll be making surfaces from these inner edges of these openings. So we'll select the inner edge and apply, and we will have to generate this. Now there is a surface in this opening. Now let's do the same for other opening. Let's again go to concepts, then surface from edges, and select this inner edge. Apply and generate. Okay, now we have two surfaces at these two openings. Now this pipe segment is completely enclosed by the help of these two caps. Now the filling work of this pipe is left, so let's go to tools. Let's use this fill command and let's go for by caps and generate. Now we can see two solid here. One is for the geometry we have imported, which is pipe, and the another is the fluid domain. Now to work with this fluid domain, we need to suppress this outer cover, this pipe. So right click and suppress body. Okay, now this is the exact fluid domain we'll be using for our simulation. This is only the volume of fluid after excluding the pipe. We have already suppressed the pipe, and now we have only the fluid domain is left. Now you have seen how the fluid domain is created. For any other geometries, in order to make fluid domain, you will have to just enclose the geometry in the free openings using caps, and you can create fluid domain from any of your geometries. This will be the volume of fluid which will be studied. Now the next work which we will do is we will mesh this fluid domain into tiny grids. So we will carry on with the meshing in our next video of this playlist.